Hi, seniors. Because I wasn't in yesterday, I thought I'd make a recording of the class I would have held. So we're going to be looking at the rough draft, what I need from you in the rough draft. Everything I'm going over right now is in your research paper overview in student resources in both Unit 5 and Unit 7. So you will be able to find all of this in student resources. So first off, you need to complete the 5.10 assignment first. I'm about halfway through them, so I should be finishing up here in the next hour. Should have all of those graded. If you've already submitted it, go check to see my grade, check to see the feedback I gave you, and then if I wanted you to change anything specifically in maybe your outline or your thesis statement, do that before writing your rough draft. If you write a rough draft with a thesis statement that's weak, you're going to have to make some changes, which might be a little bit frustrating. So here is the research paper overview. I got this exactly from, again, the research paper overview. So this is the checklist that's referred to throughout the course. So it'll be graded based on this checklist. Informing the reader about a literary topic. You have an introduction with a thesis statement, body paragraphs that contain facts and quotations from your research. Research paper ends with a conclusion. The organization of ideas in the research paper are easy to follow. It includes both internal citations and a works cited page. Language is appropriate and clear and includes domain-specific vocabulary. The tone is consistently serious. That's a very important one. You're not joking. You're not saying maybe this, maybe that. You're serious and you're clear. Okay, so you're making a stance, you're taking a stance, and you're not guessing. You're not using any language that makes you seem uncertain, like maybe, perhaps, any of those kind of words. The paper has a variety of sentence structures and sentence beginnings, and the paper is at least 1,800 words for your rough draft. Here is a little graphic that may help for your introduction. If you start off with a hook, that's going to be something interesting. I read one student wrote, they were writing about Elizabethan theater, but their hook was something about the amount of plays that were written during that era. I think it was Shakespeare specifically, how many plays he had written. So that was a pretty interesting statistic. Often people use statistics for hooks, but it doesn't have to be. It could just be a statement about the era or the author you're writing about. And then your connecting ideas are going to connect your hook to your thesis so that they go together. Okay, we don't want your hook and your thesis to not relate at all. They need to be relational in some sort. So those connecting ideas are going to be those few sentences between your hook and your thesis statement. And this is a model research paper. This is their introduction. So if you want to see the model research paper in its entirety, go to 7.01. You can download and read that. And that might be a good basis for you to see the organization that I will be looking for. Okay, so here's our hook, something about England's Industrial Revolution. Connecting ideas would be romantics in the Industrial Revolution. And then the thesis, this is not a very detailed thesis, but it would be about Blake and the Industrial Revolution. This is not a good thesis unless we're going to write some more words. So here's an opportunity to create your own. Okay, if you wanted to pause this, if you want to just create your own inverted paragraph, that may be helpful for you. And then we will go into an outline to create your body paragraphs. Again, this is why 5.10 is so important, because it should have helped you focus your ideas. My feedback will either tell you whether you're on the right track or you aren't. Okay, if you maybe didn't structure it very well, I'll let you know that you need to, be a little bit more clear. Or I said, hey, great, I look forward to reading your paper. That's the green light. Go ahead, continue writing your rough draft. And then concluding, I like this graphic. If you don't, that's fine, but it's essentially the introduction flipped. Okay, so you're going to be super specific up here, restating your thesis, and then broaden out. I always like to think of the end of a conclusion is connecting to your reader. This is why my topic was important. This is why you just spent 10 minutes reading my essay. It's the closing to my thoughts, and then you will submit into 7.01 before you trick or treat. A little bit of a funny because I don't expect many of you will, but I did. I trick-or-treated as a senior in high school. If you guys still need help, please come to my office hours today from 3:30 to 4 p.m. Again, I will grade all of the 5.10 submissions before that time, so if you want to come by, either ask me questions about 5.10, I'm sorry, or maybe finish it with me if you need a little help, or I can help you out with a rough draft. I will send my office hours link in the email that I sent this PowerPoint in. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.